What is going on, YouTube? Mr. Flip coming at you. Alright, so we are going to be talking about Oculus Quest 2 and an amazing game, Population 1. As you guys can see, I got a video edited here, and after that game I decided, you know what? I'm going to make somewhat, I guess you would consider it as a tutorial on how to play Population 1 with strategies. We're going to go over some topics. We're going to go over one topic, which is communication. We're going to go over another topic, which is how to use the guns. Another topic will be health and shield. And another topic will be ghosting. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So Population 1 is a virtual reality game. A lot of people like to compare it to like FORTNITE or Call of Duty, like a mixture of Call of Duty and FORTNITE. I personally say Population is a game of its own. It is a very strategized game. You got to know what you're doing and be able to play it properly. Now, a lot of newcomers are starting to come into the game because, of course, December just passed. Christmas. Everybody got an Oculus Quest 2 for Christmas, right? Yeah, mine looks a little crazy, like a little space helmet. We'll probably go over that later if you guys want to on the accessories and stuff that I use. But anyways, so Population 1. It is a first-person shooters game in virtual reality. So a lot of you guys know my channel. I was doing firearm training, real life firearm training, you know, getting out there and really doing the real thing. And virtual reality kind of is bringing back that muscle memory. Population 1 is phenomenal for that fact because I love going out, I love firearms, I love going out practicing shooting and stuff like that. But YouTube don't like it no more. YouTube is anti-Second Amendment. We won't go over that. We're not even going to get into that right now. But anyway, so yeah. So I decided to pick up an Oculus Quest 2 with my youngest son. Me and him play a lot of virtual reality. You guys have been seeing a lot of Population 1 videos on my YouTube channel. I also have some other videos on another channel that I built. But yeah, it's Population 1. It's been a very experienced, fun learning game. I've only been playing for about a month now and have really built in a strategy to be able to get wins. As you guys will see in this video that's rendering right now, I want you guys to make sure you watch it. It'll be uploaded after this video. So let's go ahead and jump into topics. So Population 1, it is a fast-paced, I guess you would consider it as a fast-paced shooters game. It does have a storm like Fortnite and Call of Duty where it closes in on you. You do drop in, so let's talk about pods. When you first jump into Population 1, you're getting ready to load into the map. You're all going to start on this platform. You're going to run, and you have an option to either just jump off the platform, glide down, and it's considered a hot drop, or get in a pod.
Do I got a mic?
I love pods. Pods are probably the only thing that I ever do. I hate hot drops just for the fact that I want to get wins. I like the strategy to get wins. So as you guys see in this video, me and this gentleman, we had no communication. He had no mic on. I'm like, jump in a pod. So I was like, I hope he does. I got in my pod, and one thing I'm going to teach you guys is when you get in a pod, don't immediately start marking locations on where you want to drop. Look around. So you're in the pod, you're gliding, and you're going to see a little pull lever. What I like to do is look to the right, look to the left, look to the left, look to the right. Look around and see where the other squads are dropping. Then you can be like, okay, there's like 2 squads here, no squads here. So you're going to see in this video there was no squads to the left. We had Kingdom. Kingdom's a big old huge castle. Amazing loot. It's crazy when people do not tend to try to land in Kingdom. Usually it's a hot drop. Well, usually everybody just goes there. So we had Kingdom. I'm like, yo, we got Kingdom. Let's go there. Still, my teammate. No communication. No mic. I'm like, man. And usually it's a trios. Usually you're dropping in as trios. It was only me and him. And I was like, dude, I hope this guy puts his mic on. Anyways, we hit Kingdom, pull the lever, glide into where we need to glide into, loot it up, start grabbing backpacks. And this is where I'm going to talk about weapons and shield. So what it is you got your inventory. You get to pick up all these weapons and stuff that are laying around. Figure out what type of weapon you're good at. What I advise is to go into a bot lobby, pick up some weapons, learn how to use them against the bots and stuff like that. The bots are super easy. Get some distance. Don't just go up to the bots and shoot them in the head. Get some distance, learn how to use the weapons, learn how they reload. Another thing is, big key, you're going to see these big blue things laying around the map. Those are shields. Make sure you grab those. Those do not take inventory. Fill up those as fast as you can. Once you're filled up, communicate to your teammate. Once again, there we are with communication. Communicate to your teammate, hey, there's a shield here if you want it. I'm already full. Another big key is backpacks. Grab as many backpacks as you can until your backpack is completely full, which is going to fill up your inventory. Yell to the teammate if there's an extra backpack, hey, there's a backpack here. Grab the weapons that you know how to use. So as I stated, go into a bot lobby and practice with the weapons. I personally love the AK. I'm great with the AK. I love it. AK, I'll pick up a star 1 AK over a gold anything else. I love the AK no matter what. And then you got to learn how to reload it. So reloading the AK is just pop, pop. You got to learn your distances. I'm not going to go over how to reload stuff, but that's why I like the AK, because I'm so good at doing that. It's so fast for me. I like to carry 3 weapons of all. For one, definitely a shotgun, definitely an AR, and if I can, I'm going to carry a sniper or an SMG. Now, shotguns do me justice. I love shotguns. They always been phenomenal, especially when you get major shotgun headshots or whatnot. SMGs are great as well for close combat. A lot of people consider to carry a SMG over a sniper rifle. I like sniper rifles. I like those long distance shots. You guys will see in this video right here, I took, I think it was like a 120, 160 shot on a guy. And I knocked one and absolutely demolished them. So yeah, I prefer snipers over SMG. I can use my shotgun, switch back over to my AR. I think I even did that in this video. But a lot of people prefer to carry, you know, like an AR, a shotgun, an SMG, and a sniper, and then they're minimized on how much health they're able to carry. Health is very important. Bananas and shakers. Bananas and shakers are 2 of your best. Shakers is for shield, banana is for health. But do know, when you use a banana or a shaker, you got to know how to use them. Those boys hit me hard right there. Pulling out a banana, you got to peel it and then put it to your mouth and eat it. Shakers, I have so much complications with shakers, but I love them. But shakers, you shake them, as is basically common sense, you shake them, and then when you shake it to a full bar, it's going to pop and you're going to fill up shield. I have so many issues with shakers. Comment down below how I can fix the issue with shakers. I sit there and shake, 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 shake. It pops, but no shield happens. Then I got to switch over to a gun and then back to my shaker in my inventory and then go from there. So I always have problems with shakers, but I love to carry them. You got red cans, blue cans. Red cans is health. It's just soda cans. You pop them, drink them. They fill up very small bars. And then the blue cans is the same thing. That's shield. You pop them, drink it. Blah, blah, blah. Make sure, like I said, you can carry, I'm not telling you how to carry your loadout, but I personally like to carry at least 3 guns and multi shields and health, because I'm telling you guys right now, you got some major skilled players in here who are going to majorly put damage on you. Oh, Jesus, and sometimes you get caught up in the middle between multiple squads and you're just getting fired down on, and the best opportunity is heal up and get out of there. So we've communicated. All right, so we hit communication, which is big key. If you don't have communication, it's going to be hard to win. Health and shield and weapons, 3 topics we covered. Another big key is ghosting. So ghosting, a lot of people don't know about, and it plays a big role. You're going to see in this video, once we're done uploading this video, we're going to upload that video. You're going to see in that video ghosting, and it plays a big role. What ghosting is, so when you die and your teammate's still alive, you become a ghost, and your teammate has an opportunity to revive you, bring you back to life.
Going to armory.
There's a lot of shield here.
Okay. But if your teammate's in the middle of a fight, for instance, let's say a squad came in, wiped me out, my teammate wiped out 2 of them, but there's still 1 left to demolish that squad. What I like to do as a ghost is follow that enemy, because you can still communicate with your teammate. I follow that enemy around, and I'm like, all right, he's coming in front of you. He's moving to your left. He's moving to your right. Right here by the van. He's throwing grenades to you. Right here to your left. Right there. Boom. Okay, I'm right behind him, and your teammate can see you. So your teammate sees you moving and calling these orders out, and he's like, okay, all right, where'd he go now? And then you can say, he's going to climb up over this car or this truck, and he's going to start shooting at you. I can see him. He's getting ready to climb up and start shooting at you. Then your teammate can, you know, either flank or get in there and get the shots in, kill that guy, and then he can revive you. One thing I want to mention, which I see a lot, is one of your teammates dies, you're in the middle of a fight trying to finish off the squad, and your teammate's right there in front of you. Revive me, revive me, revive me. It's like, bro, step back for a second. Go ghost them. Tell me where they're at. Then I'll revive you after I kill them. I'm in the middle of a fight. It's hard to revive somebody when you're in the middle of a fight, because reviving does take a few seconds. So you have to charge up these jumpers, and then you have to charge them and then hit them. And while you're charging these up, the enemies can hear. Oh, watch out, watch out.
Low health.
Nice. So no matter where you think you're hiding at, if you're in the middle of a fight and you try to go, you know, along a wall and try to revive, they're gonna hear that. They're gonna know you're no longer in that fight and you're trying to revive, and they're gonna come after you and demolish you and take you out. So what I like to do, if they have a mic on in the beginning of the game, I say jump in a pod. Let's look and see where the squads are dropping before we call out any locations that we're gonna go. And if you guys die, make sure you ghost them. If we're in the middle of a fight, ghost them, and then I'll take them out, or you can take them out, I'll ghost them, and then we can go from there. I'm telling you, communication is key. So, as you guys are gonna see in this video, right when I got in, I'm like, yo, you got a mic? No mic. Jump in a pod. Told him jump in a pod. We got in a pod. Then we started communicating once we got in the kingdom. He did like a little doo-doo-doo, telling me there was an enemy there, and I was like, okay. I got you, bro. Where?
Over the gate. Over the,
okay.
He's climbing.
Okay, gotcha. I'm coming up high ground.
He's on the, walkway.
Okay.
He's right out in the open.
I got him 70. Then we started communicating. We got the win. So these are the topics I want to tell you guys about in Population 1. You're going to see a lot more videos coming your way. If you guys got any more questions, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. So communication, shield and health, weapons, and ghosting. You're going to get the win. Trust me. Population 1, I'm trying to get verified. Let's get it. I'll give you guys all my time in the world. So you guys see, I'm trying to get verified. I really want to get verified with Population 1. I love the game with all my heart. It's amazing. So I'm going to continue to grind it out. You guys are going to see more videos coming your way. If you guys want to see anything specific, like maybe on the Oculus or accessories or anything like that, or more on Population 1, let me know and I'll do it. All right. Love you guys. I'm up and out. Peace.